Okay, today I'm just received this one. I bought this Beatit model B10 Pro. So this is Jumpstarter power bank so-called. So this one, when you have issues with your car batteries, when you maybe halfway of your driving or you park somewhere, you fall off the light and your car battery drain off. So you're unable to start the car and you don't have friends nearby. So I think this is the best uh, tools to have, and this is definitely to save you and to save your friends as well. So basically I received this one through Shopee. I bought it through Shopee. I think it's about, I think less than 200 ringgit Malaysia, 180 plus the delivery fees is about 200 ringgit. So it's come with a very strong cover. It's very nice. It's from Auto Bug Club quality sections. Capacity is 12,800. Model B10 Pro. Okay, let's see what is inside. Just like unboxing a phone, man. So Jumpstarter, please read this warning label before using the Jumpstarter. Failure to comply may result in injury and to avoid product warranty. Detailed instructions are available in the user manual. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with this one. So there's a card. What is inside there? Yeah, they will teach you what is do and don't. This is very good packaging. It's very simple instructions to follow. This is what so-called power bank. It's very nice. Oh man, it's very solid. It's very solid. I think it's come with the, I think actually the first time opening this one, so I'm not very sure what is the functions. I will explore further. I will share with all of you. So you can see over here, you can see model B10 Pro. Capacity is 12,800 and start current 400 AMP. Output vehicles, so it's output for vehicle 12 watts. So normally the normal car that we have, a smaller car or bigger car, is 12 watt, except if you are those four-wheel drive or a lorries, then you'll be using 24 watts. So for normal sedan car, normal car like Myvi, Mazda 6, all can be used. So it's product of China as usual. Beatit, and let's see whether is there any. Yep, here is it. Okay, so I believe this is the one to plug in the Jumpstarter cables. There's an output 1, output 2, and this input is for the charging. This is an on-off switch. Oh, now it's already come with preloaded battery. So it's a 3. The fourth one is fully charged. Yeah, so I think we need to off it first. Later we will start. So this is the actual unit, and then this is very handy. It's not very heavy, and you can keep this after full charge. You can keep it inside your car, and it's just for emergency usage. But just don't expose it under the sun. Yep, it's similar to other electrical products. They should not expose it under the sun. So you put it here. So what is inside some more? There's another box. So what is inside the box itself? I believe this is the similar to Jumpstarter cables that we use, but this should be, oh, it comes with this one, the cables, and an empty box. Yeah, this is the auto part warranty. Yep, all the warranty, do and don'ts, 5-star, what's the phone number to call. This is a user manual. You come with English, definitely. Dutch, France. Where's the Chinese go? I believe there will be Chinese as well. No, I can't find the Chinese. But it's okay, I don't even know how to read Chinese, sorry. I only know how to read the English and all the Malay. Yep, this is a user manual. It's quite handy. You can keep it with you. And it comes with a pouch. This is a pouch to keep all your tools everything's together, so it wouldn't be so messy. Yeah, it's quite solid. It's quite solid. It's very nice car works. Yep, this is the jump starter cables that we normally use, but this is in a smaller, shorter versions because you don't need to be too long. You're not jump starting from one car to another car. So as usual, the red color is the positive sign. The black one is for negative. So in your car battery, you look for the negative, you plug into negative, the positive, plug into the positive. And this is so-called the stabilizer. So this is the one. And this, I believe, is for the charging. USB charging. Yep. We can use it to this one. So it's similar to how we charge our phones actually. Just plug it in, you plug it into any USB charger that you have. And I believe this is the one. Yes. For this one. So you just need to plug it in. There's already a shape for you. If you can see, there's a shape. You see this hole, the shape of here, and this shape is different. You can see this is round, this is not round. So similar to here as well. This is round, this is not round. So it's all come with the shape. So you definitely will not plug it wrongly. So just plug it in. Once you plug in, you can see the indicator starting. So later tomorrow itself, I will try to start up my car, but today I will basically do a full recharge of this battery, and tomorrow I will start my car. I'm using a Mazda 6, and basically the battery has been drained off and I'm unable to start the car. So I think this should become in handy. But this first time I'm using it. I'll share my experience later on. Yeah. Okay, now I have plugged in the cable to full charge my Jumpstarter power bank. This is the cable that's provided by them. This is my phone charger. I'm using this Huawei phone charger. So just plug it in, turn on the power. And you can see it's indicating charging. It's a normal charging. Once it's fully charged, it will be full bar, 4 bar. Now it's 2.5 bar. So tomorrow, once fully charged, tomorrow I will use it to jumpstart my Mazda 6 12-watt battery car. I'll show you the result as well later on. Thanks. So basically, there's other functions within this Jumpstarter power bank. So if once you turn it on over here, it can act as a torchlight. Do you see the on-off button over here? If you hold it for 3 seconds, it will turn into a torchlight. If you press one more time, you turn into an SOS light. So this is very good when it's during emergency. So you press one more time, hold it 3 more seconds, and you should off it. Should be off it. Yes. So then once you finish it, then you off it. And here, over here, beside plugging in for the jump starter cables, this 2 output port is for the phone charging. So it also can be used as your phone charger if you want to. See, so this is the charging for the power bank. These 2, you can use it as a normal charging for your phone as well. So it's very, very good. So it's come with a lot of functions. Yep. So before use, try to charge it. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge this battery, about 5 hours. So when you want to use at time, remember once you jump started it, remove this from the car battery within 30 seconds. So and leave it cool down, because you will generate some heat when you jump start the car. So this is very normal. So do not need to worry about this one. Okay. Tomorrow I'll show you the result. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Now I'm having my car battery problem again. I think my son forgot to switch off the internal light. So I think overnight, either because my car battery is also low, it's also weak. It's only about, I think, 1 year old, and my son forgot to switch on the internal light of the car. So today, basically, I've tried. I was not able to start it. So let's press on the brake. The key signal is there. Let's start it. Nope, nothing happens. Okay, let's give it a try again. With the key, step on the brake, and let's try. Nope, nothing happens. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump start the car using the Beatit B10 Pro that I bought yesterday and see whether it workable or not. I'll show you the result shortly. So basically, before I plug it in, I have plugged in the positive sign with the positive one, the negative with the negative in my car battery, and what I can see over here, I think we only have about 9.1 volts, so it's very low. Okay, so now we need to turn on this on buttons, turn it on, and I'll plug it into this switch here before I jump start the car. Okay, now I have plugged it in, so I'm going to jump start it. So make sure it's stay safe and stable. So let's go into the car. Now let's jump start and see. This one, car battery, steps on the brake and try out. Pretty hard. It works, man, it works. It really works. It really works. So now what I need to do is I go over there. I will need to unplug it, the jump starter battery. It really works, man. It really works. It really works, man. It's very simple. It's very simple to use. So I just need to I need to just unplug it. Yes, unplug it. Unplug it. That's it. You have done the jump starting. Let it run for a while. Let it run for a while before I'll drive it over to the mechanic there to change the battery or to charge the battery. I'll let them check. So how do this device feel after I jump start my Mazda 6? I think 12 watt battery, and I unplug it after I think 30 seconds after it started, and I don't feel much. A lot of people say maybe you feel very hot. Yes, a bit slightly warm, but yeah, I think it's still good. The rest, press on the power and see how much battery that I have used. Nope, I think it's only used. It's still full bar over here. So basically this come very handy. You can use it as a phone charger, you can use it as a car jump starter, and this only costs you about 188. Yeah, 180 plus, I guess. And then plus the delivery from Shopee is, I think it's about how much, 200 plus, 100 plus to 200. So I just keep this in your bag, in your car. Just don't expose it under the sun. You do. So what their advices is to, if you're able to want to have a longer battery lifespans, you need to charge it once a month, a full charge it. So yesterday, a full charge, it will take about 1 hour. Full charge without, if it's fully empty, full charge will be about 5 hours. Yesterday, I think because it's half full, it took me about 1 or 2 hours to get it fully charged. So I think this is a very good device. It's worth it to have, and it's worth it to buy. You need to have it if you don't have it. Yeah, thanks.